we'll take some of our bigger pieces for the salad. I think nice cubes. It's great. Put that in there.
Nowadays, there are a lot of watermelons you can get with this without the seeds. You don't have to worry about your child swallowing it.
Yes, seedless watermelon is very. Seems like everybody's eating seedless. You don't even remember like the seeded ones anymore.
And I love these recipes because when you buy a watermelon, it's like so overwhelming. There's so much of it, but you're using quite a bit of it in these recipes.
Exactly.
Okay.
One thing you want to make sure is that your child doesn't have a reaction, so you want to introduce it. You could introduce it as early as 6 months.
Okay.
Make sure they don't have a rash, so you introduce it slowly. One food a day for about 2 to 3 days. Continue introducing it every day.
Okay.
And then you could start combining with other things like tomatoes or other fruits and vegetables.
I know when I was pregnant, I loved having watermelon.
Oh,
it was just so
yeah.
hydrating.
It
so
really
it's also
is.
good for prenatal.
Oh, absolutely. And you can eat in high volume because it's mostly water. So you can sit there and eat a quarter of a watermelon and have very little calories.